This is going to be a quick test of my Wheelock 121575W strobe. Alright. It is 1575 candela, and it's just a standard Wheelock RSS remote strobe. So without any further ado, here we go. And yes, that is a 1575 candela strobe. Here's the back of it. And you can take its cover plate off. And without the cover plate, it looks like that. Piece of tape on it. And, yeah. A very simple Wheelock remote strobe. Back of it. It's kind of broken, but it's a nice strobe. It's my favorite strobe. And yeah, so that was my test. So, thanks for watching. See you later.